may mga nagretiro, may mga namatay na. So nagbayad na din po ang SSS dyan ng corresponding benefits based on these memberships as reported by their employer.
Okay, pero yung mga hindi nagkasakit po, na yung hindi pa nakakuha ng benefits sa SSS out of those contributions, so pwede ho bang i-transfer pa yun? Kasi kapag transfer sa GSIS, ang pagkakaintindi ko sinabi ni Mr. Tenko noon, medyo madugutot kasi bilyones ang maging halaga, yung difference. So para mapagaan naman sa mga empleyado, yung mga naibayad na naikaltas na sa kanila through the years, kukunin sa SSS at itatransfer sa GSIS. Maliban na lang kung may mga bawal dyan dahil nasa batas natin. Pero kung wala sa batas yan, IRR lamang, siguro gawin natin ang paraan.
Sa tingin ko po sir, pwede pong mapag-usapan yan Mr. Chair. May mga considerations lang po like during that time, iba po yung contribution rate ng SSS, di hamak na mababa. At saka yung nakaka-capture po namin na monthly salary credit is only this much. Unlike po sa GSIS na mataas po talaga yung contribution rate at they capture the actual monthly income of the government employee.
Now, what I'm trying to say, sir, yung actual amount lang na na-remit sa SSS ng bawat isang empleyado through the years out of their paycheck, each and every paycheck, kung pwede pang makapture ulit yun at ma-transfer sa GSIS under his or her account.
Sige po sir, I will get back to my principals. I will make a report on this particular matter. I will seek po their guidance and instruction and then probably po we will be able to submit po an official response on this particular query kasi pasensya na po yung bagay po na yan ay that's beyond po my
pay grade.
Opo.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Mr.
Attorney
Chair.
Lucio Yu Jr. ng GSIS, ano pong inyong position sa pinag-usapan natin ngayon?
Good morning,
Ng
Mr. Chair.
GSIS.
Mr.
Yes.
Chair, thank you for inviting GSIS to attend this hearing. As confirmed by the resource person from SSS, there's an ongoing reconciliation and talks on how to effect the transfer of membership coverage from SSS to GSIS. The core issues were mentioned earlier. The difference in premium rates kasi mas mababa sila, and then when they transfer, even if they transfer all their premium contributions, there might be differences that either the government has to bear the share, and then of course yung difference, and of course yung benefits din nakakaiba. And from my notes, I understand there were discussions also when is the effectivity ng coverage nila. We're looking at either the effectivity of the GSIS law, which is around July 1997, or October 2011, which is the effectivity of the GCG law. Kasi with the enactment of the GCG law, dun pa na medyo nalilinaw na all GOCC shall be covered by GSIS. Because before
So 2011, if you were to ask me,
2011,
kasi doon pala sabi nyo, nakalagay na all GOCC's employees should be covered by GSIS or considered as government employees.
at least the mandate of the GCG that all GOCCs and PAGCOR is classified as GOCC. Kasi even our own charter, there were issues on declassification whether GOCC with original charter or without are covered by us. Kasi may mga typo issues dun sa sa charter, which we had elicited a lot of interpretation. But in the meantime, I think the PAGCOR has been under the coverage of SSS. No? And that is why there were talks, no, even as early as 2 to 3 years ago to transfer their membership from SSS to GSIS.
Thank you. And then therefore, GSIS, SSS, and GCG, PAGCOR, I'll give you 5 working days to sort it out para malaman na natin eksakto kung kailan malilipat na from SSS to GSIS yung mga benefits ng mga PAGCOR employees. And at the same time, kung magkano yung difference by the time meron ng numero yung SSS, magkano difference na yung na-remit na sa SSS na premium na ito transfer sa GSIS. 5 working days. Anong araw ba ngayon? Wednesday. So Wednesday next week.
Baka po,
Sandali lang po. GSIS, meron kayong gusto sabihin?
Mr. Chair, just want to manage expectation. It all depends on several data which we've been discussing and reconciling.
5 days not
Yes.
enough? 5 working days?
Depende.
Magsipag tayo, mga sweldado tayo ng mga taong bayan. We're doing this for the taong bayan, not for ourselves.
We'll discuss this with the operations group. And,
Yes.
We'll see it.
5 days siguro mahaba na yon. Unless kung gusto mo 5 years, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 days siguro, sir.
Depende sa commitment.
Well, then, it's about time kasi for the longest time, yung mga taga-PAGCOR, napi sila eh. Nag-antay sila, kinawawa sila. Then, magpakonsuelo naman kayo. Bilis-bilisan niyo po mga trabaho ninyo. Diba? Buti pa kayo, papahayay-hayay. Itong mga ito, ang lilit ng mga sweldo.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll discuss this with the operations
Malaki din ang contribution nila sa
top management.
kaban ng bayan dahil malaking buwis ng nakukuha ng gobyerno mula sa PAGCOR. So, do your best kung pwede. Do your best, 5 working days. Diba? Kapag hindi nyo kaya, just let me know and then the reason why and then pwede naman tayo magbigay ng konting liway pa. Pero I wanted done ASAP. Okay sa'yo, GSIS, SSS? Just do your best. And
Yes,
GCG,
sir, we will also consider kung ano po yung input ng aming IT group then because I would assume that we're looking at more than 2 decades probably of data already.
You know why I'm doing this? Because nung hindi pa po ako empleyado ng gobyerno, ako po ay broadcaster. Ang palagi kong problema, napakabagal po umaksyon ng mga taong gobyerno. Yan po palaging reklamo sa programa ko Wanted sa radyo for the past more than 2 decades. Ang babagal. Kung hindi ko pala tiguhin on air, hindi pa kikilos. Ganun po talaga. I'm not gonna mention kung anong sangay ng gobyerno. Ang palagi, ang bagal. Inabot na ng 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, may 15 years pa. Hindi inaksyonan. Nung paglapit sa akin, nung tawagan ko at obligahin ko, saka palang umaaksyon. Kaya nga tinitesting ko lang kayo. Do your best. Di ba? Meron nga tayong anti-red tape, di ba? No. 5 days. Kaya nyo yan kung gustuhin. Kung gusto, maraming paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. So 5 working days. And then pag hindi nyo po kaya, then i-justify nyo sa amin dito sa committee kung ba't hindi nyo kaya, then medyo magiging lax ako sa inyo at consider ko and then give you another 5 working days. Pero hanggang doon na lang. Okay? Thank you. Now, BIR. Nandito si BIR through